Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to rotate an image on Canva with the help of a very easy process. So let's get on with the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up your project that you are working on. So just head over to the image that you want to rotate. Like there are many images here. Let's select this particular image. So after you select your image by clicking on it, you will see a rotating sign here. So you just click it and you can rotate your image as you like. So that's it. It's a pretty easy process. I hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and take care.